Cartoon style art is blowing up from TikTok to t-shirt drops. And Kendrick, he's trending for more than just his lyrics. So let's ride the wave and build a cartoon design around his energy using 100% free tools. In this video, I'll show you how to turn a photo of Kendrick Lamar into a cartoon using a free AI tool, then design it into a DTF print-ready layout using just your browser. We're using image2cartoon.com, a free online tool that quickly transforms your photos into cartoon-style illustrations. No login needed, no watermarks, just upload and go. It automatically gives you multiple cartoon styles, from portraits and busts to full body and themed characters. I uploaded a Kendrick photo, and here's what we got. The results are clean, fun, and perfect for making stickers, shirt designs, or even profile pics. Now let's drop it into Kittl, my go-to online tool for fast, clean design. Kittl offers a wide range of canvas sizes, but for this, I'll use a t-shirt artboard size of 4200 by 4800 pixels. Kittl makes the process easy with a huge selection of fonts, design elements, and ready-made graphics. The font library is especially great, offering a wide variety of styles from bold and modern to vintage and playful, so you can find the perfect match for your design. Since we're doing a Kendrick Lamar design, we'll choose a font that matches his strong, dynamic style. Plus, the design elements range from illustrations to icons, backgrounds, and textures, making it easy to enhance your layout. For this Kendrick Lamar design, we'll incorporate elements that reflect his bold, unique style. It's beginner-friendly and perfect for creating bold merch in just a few clicks. Here's the final result. Kendrick, cartooned and print-ready. This could go on a shirt, poster, or more. And we didn't touch Photoshop once. With Kittl's mockup feature, we can easily preview how the design looks on different products, making sure it's perfectly aligned and ready for print. Once your design is ready, just click the share button, then select download project. From there, choose the format that fits your needs: PNG for digital use, PDF for print, or SVG for editable vector files. You can also adjust the resolution and file settings to suit your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tip. Want more? Click the link and unlock something awesome. Visit us at transfersuperstars.com, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.